Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up our mobile data so our applications will be using only mobile data without Wi-Fi, even if the Wi-Fi is available. To turn on this option, we have to go to Settings, then Connections, and here we have Data Usage. And in here, mobile data only apps. Of course, we need to enable our mobile data, so this option will be available to us. And here we can choose which application will use mobile data only, even if we have Wi-Fi available. As you can see, just tap on or off. Very easy to do. And back out, no need to save. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.